I'm MAE334, and this is my final project for MAE334 Lab, Section 10, and I am the only member of Group 5. So my project is a assistive hearing device here. The concept is that a lot of household appliances use both a visual and a sound to indicate whenever their function that they're doing is completed. For someone who is deaf or hearing impaired, they might not be around the appliance to be able to see that it's finished doing what it needs to do. I'm talking about like an oven or a clothes dryer or a washing machine or dishwasher, etc. So this device will basically take the auditory input from whatever beep it is from an appliance, and it'll take that input, feed it through my code, which brackets a certain frequency and volume, and outputs identification of whatever that appliance is, and also how long it's been since that appliance finished its function. So this is my device here. It's a little cover also. So I have my two microphone sensors. I have my 3-pin volume sensor here, and then 4-pin frequency sensor here. They're both plugged into analog input on the Arduino board. And then you just have a potentiometer here for the LCD display brightness. And then the display itself here. So I'll do a quick little demo here. So as I said, basically I've taken a frequency and done some testing with the device to kind of see what frequency and volume I get from just ambient sound, and then play I recorded my oven preheating going off, and then fed that into the Arduino to see what the output was as far as the volume and the frequency, and then bracketed it, put it in an if-else statement, and basically tell it to put a certain display on the LCD if the input is within a certain range of volume and frequency. So my one test here, I have a frequency generator here on my phone. So we'll do a quick reset here. There, do we know? We can see that number here. Alright, so I'll hit the sound. Right now there's just a random counter. That doesn't mean anything. So as soon as the beep goes off, the indicator says close or dry. That's what I picked, and how many seconds it's been since the beep went off. You can do a little test here as a reset to change the frequency to demonstrate the bracketing. There we go. So I'll go up frequency a bit here, quite a bit, and we'll go down. So once it gets down into that frequency, it goes off. And once I bring it up again, it doesn't reset. So it's outside the frequency range. Then I did another test with actual recording of my oven preheating, and the display is changed. As soon as it's done beeping, the timer starts again. So that is the demo of my device.